Welcome back, everyone, for a quick update. Today, they have launched, or relaunched, I should say, the B Series robots. So when you log in today, you get the notice that says, Notice, in response to the strong demands of all members, the B Series robots have been newly added to the server and are back online. At the same time, we have added 5 newest and most popular robots to the C Series. Side team. This is exciting news, y'all. So let's see what those are. We'll go into the AI to see what those are. And so they have all of them here. Now we have the B1 B1 is the subsidized robot. It's the $200 robot that runs for 5 days and it will earn you a subsidy of $30. Now, I had intended on getting another 500 robot, but since this came back out, I'm just going to go ahead and purchase this robot again. And then next, I think I'll just purchase the 800 robot. So let's go back here. And today I haven't withdrawn. I have checked in and withdraw that fund, moved it from the asset center into the profit center. And now what I'm going to do is withdraw this $11 and add that, take that out, withdraw all of that, transfer, and go back. And then I'm going to withdraw right in the middle of the screen, withdraw all. Of course, they take 20% because on the level I'm at, it's 20% that they'll charge you. So 880. And so now we can go and see that in the asset center. I have that 880 in there. So this is where you transfer funds in and out along with the profit box. The profit box is where you can gain an interest on your funds that's contained within it each and every day. So now let's put that 880 into my profit box. Go back to home, scroll up to see the profit box. I'm going to transfer in. Now before I transfer it in the profit box, I want to let you know what happened. The other day I bought $500 worth of Bitcoin, and you can see it right down here on the 18th. It came in at 480. So there's some fees and things associated with it. So I got 480, and then I put that in the profit box. And then each day I've been collecting my sign-in bonuses and my daily income and putting that back into the profit box. Yesterday, my earnings was $2.51 on that $720.43 that's in there. It's a pretty good interest rate. Let's go ahead and transfer it in that 880. Just to show y'all how to do it. So now I've got 729 in there. So I could leave that money in there and let it keep drawing interest, or I can go ahead and rent another product, which I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead back to the AI, and I'm not going to rent that $500 robot because I've got the one robot renting, as you can see, this $500 robot. I started it on the 14th, and on the 15th, all the way to today, it's paid me $11. It will pay me $11 for 4 more days. I believe this one runs for 10 days. So it's a pretty good guarantee of income. So now you see, I can look and see it's frozen $500. Let's go ahead and buy that second B1 subsidized robot. Oh, before I can buy it, I actually need to put the funds back into the asset center. Transfer out. So now instead of transferring in, I'm just going to transfer back out 200 to purchase that robot. So I'm going to go back now, go to the AI, click that $200 robot, the B1 robot. And as you can see, once again, it's going to earn me $6 a day, and it's going to pay me a $30 subsidy. That's going to run for 15 days. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to buy just one right now. Okay. I'm probably going to have to check with technical support because I don't know why it's not changing. The number cannot be greater. Okay, everybody, I found out that I can only rent the B1 subsidized robot only once. So I'm just going to transfer those funds back into my profit box out of the asset center and get that so I can draw interest for tomorrow. Transfer in. See how easy it is. 200 back out to 0. 200 confirm. Now I'm gonna let that ride. I may just ride this out, and after I complete this robot, then I'm gonna probably go ahead and just get that 800 robot. They've added some new ones. Let's go to the AI. They've added the B1 and the BS subsidized robots back. And one of you can only rent at S at level 0, and the other one you could rent at S level 1. But they have the C1, which I'm renting now, and then the C1 Plus is for S level 1. The C2 robot is probably what I'm going to rent next because that's going to earn me $18.14 a day, $18.40 a day for a total revenue of $276, and then they're going to pay a one-time subsidy of $100, and the limit on that is 3. So I'll probably do that next. I'm liking this so far, so good. Hope you enjoy the videos. If you're interested in seeing your money grow like this, please consider joining. You can do so by clicking on my invitation link below. So until next time, dear friends and viewers, keep your dreams and your streams alive and well.